Finding bakeware that combines durability, versatility, and style can be a challenge for busy home cooks. The Dowan 9x13 ceramic casserole dish solves this problem with thoughtful design, high-quality materials, and practical features. This large 4.2-quart baking dish is perfect for family dinners, holiday gatherings, or entertaining guests with lasagna, casseroles, roasted vegetables, pasta dishes, or bread. Its deep design prevents spills, while ergonomic handles make carrying hot dishes effortless. The purchase link is available in the description below and in the pinned comment. Crafted from lead-free, professional-grade ceramic, this dish ensures food safety while offering excellent heat retention and even cooking. Oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Microwave, dishwasher, and refrigerator safe. It is ideal for all your cooking needs. The soft, white, smooth glaze provides a timeless, modern aesthetic that doubles as a stylish serving dish. From classic lasagna to roasted chicken or layered vegetable casseroles, this dish ensures consistent, delicious results every time. Premium ceramic construction for longevity and safety. This casserole dish is made from high-quality, lead-free ceramic, guaranteeing safety and durability. It withstands high temperatures without cracking or discoloring, making it a reliable choice for repeated use. Professional chefs and home cooks alike will appreciate the combination of sturdiness and elegance. It is designed to last, maintaining its smooth finish and shape even after heavy use. Generous capacity for all occasions. Measuring 15.6 by 9.3 inches and 3.1 inches deep, the 4.2-quart capacity is perfect for large meals without worrying about overflow. Whether preparing lasagna, pasta bakes, roasted meats, or casseroles, this dish handles multiple servings with ease. It is large enough for family dinners but compact enough to fit comfortably in standard ovens, giving you flexibility in meal planning. Ergonomic handles for safe, easy transport. The Dowan casserole dish features integrated double handles that allow a secure grip even when the dish is full. Carrying hot dishes from oven to table becomes safe and effortless. The handles are designed to remain cool enough to hold comfortably and complement the dish's overall seamless, elegant look. Timeless design for everyday and special occasions. The soft white ceramic glaze provides a classic, versatile look that complements any kitchen decor. Its minimalist design ensures that the dish remains stylish for years. The glossy finish is easy to clean and doubles as a serving dish, allowing you to present food directly at the table in style. This combination of functionality and elegance makes it suitable for casual meals as well as festive occasions. Versatile and multi-purpose bakeware. This casserole dish is more than just a lasagna pan. It is perfect for baking, roasting, serving, and storing food. It is compatible with ovens, microwaves, refrigerators, and freezers, offering unmatched flexibility in meal preparation. This multifunctional design reduces the need for multiple dishes, simplifying kitchen organization and cleanup. Effortless cleaning and maintenance. Thanks to the high-quality ceramic and smooth glaze, the Dowan dish resists stains and baked-on residue. Whether washing by hand or in the dishwasher, cleanup is quick and easy. Its non-porous surface ensures that food does not stick, keeping the dish looking pristine even after repeated use. Gift ready for any occasion. With its elegant design and practical utility, this casserole dish is an excellent gift choice for weddings, housewarmings, birthdays, and holidays. Both beginner cooks and seasoned chefs will appreciate its quality and versatility. Its timeless aesthetic ensures it will be a welcome addition to any kitchen, combining functionality with presentation. Key features and benefits: 4.2-quart capacity, ideal for lasagna, casseroles, roasts, pasta, and more. Lead-free ceramic, safe for family use, durable and resistant to cracks or discoloration. Ergonomic handles, secure and comfortable for carrying hot dishes. Oven, microwave, dishwasher, and freezer safe. Ultimate versatility. Timeless soft white glaze, elegant for serving and display. Even heat distribution, ensures consistently cooked meals. Easy to clean, smooth, non-stick surface. Gift ready, Perfect for weddings, housewarmings, birthdays, or holidays. Why this casserole dish stands out. The Dowan 9x13 ceramic casserole dish is not just another baking pan. Its professional-grade materials, ergonomic design, and elegant appearance make it a standout choice for everyday cooking and special occasions. It elevates both the preparation and presentation of meals while simplifying cleanup and handling. This dish ensures food is cooked evenly, served safely, and presented beautifully. Final recommendation. For anyone looking for versatile, durable, and stylish bakeware, the Dowan 9x13 ceramic casserole dish is an exceptional choice. It combines large capacity, safety, elegance, and ease of use to make meal preparation effortless and enjoyable. Perfect for family dinners, holiday feasts, entertaining, or gifting. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.